How to create a Spotify artist account. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video I'm going to be telling you how you can create your own Spotify artist profile or artist account. So having said that, let's just jump into the video. So all we need to do is we need to come over here onto a new tab and go ahead and search for Spotify artists or Spotify for artists. Just simply click on it, open it up, and here you should be good to go. Here you can go ahead and sign up like so. You can see right here, I think I'm already logged in, but all you got to do is click on get access and you can get access to the Spotify art for artist. First, tell us who you are, right? I am an artist or manager. We'll go with that one. If you're a team, you can go with that one, right? Then claim an artist profile, click on next. This is the right Spotify account. Yep. So we're going to click on next. And what profile are you claiming? So here, search artist or paste a Spotify artist URL, right? No music yet live on Spotify, so we're going to select that option. And here they're going to tell us that we need to go ahead and upload some sort of music. So these distributors meet our highest standards of quality, metadata, anti-infringement medicine. So we need to choose one of the distributors over here. So you can see right here, all these are distributors. We got CD Baby, DistroKid, Emu Band, Amuse, SoundOn. So whatever option you want, whatever distributor you want, you're going to have to go ahead and visit that site. You're going to go ahead and click over there. If you already have some music on, running on Spotify, that's fine. Then you got to sign up over here and then you should be good to go. You got to go ahead, get affiliated with them, become a part of them, and you should be good to go. But yeah, coming back to the distributor, we're going to go ahead and sign up. And here you can see you have all of these options. You have to pick one of these up in order for you to go ahead and get started. You're going to have to contact them, submit your music. Once they've verified it, once they've given you the check, they're going to give you a form that, Spotify provides them with. You're going to fill them out and you're going to get instant access to the Spotify artist section. So there you go. That's how you do it. That's how you get yourself a artist account on Spotify. So thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on post notifications. And then we'll catch you guys in the next video. And until then, take care and goodbye.